Join me as I take on the challenge of figuring out if my home is actually repelling wealth and what changes I can make to attract more abundance. Your living space is more than just a roof over your head. It's an energy field that interacts with your personal vibrations, influencing every aspect of your life, including your financial prosperity. Think about it. When you walk into your home, do you feel a sense of calm and tranquility, or do you feel stressed and anxious? This energy can either attract or repel wealth, and it's essential to understand how your home is affecting your financial situation. Many of us face common challenges when it comes to creating a wealth-attracting environment. Clutter is one of the most significant obstacles. When your home is cluttered, it's like your energy is stuck, unable to flow freely. This stagnant energy can prevent new opportunities and financial abundance from entering your life. Think about all the times you've felt overwhelmed by clutter and how it's affected your mood and productivity. Another challenge is the negative energy that can accumulate in our homes. This can come from various sources, including arguments, traumatic events, or even previous owners of the property. Negative energy can weigh you down, making it difficult to achieve your financial goals. You might have experienced this firsthand, feeling like you're working hard, but somehow money just isn't flowing in. In addition to clutter and negative energy, our homes can also be affected by the way we organize and decorate them. For example, a cluttered entrance can make it difficult for new opportunities to enter your life, while a well-organized and peaceful entrance can invite abundance in. The same applies to the colors we use in our homes. Certain colors can attract or repel wealth. Using specific colors in your home can also attract wealth. Certain colors, such as green and purple, are believed to attract abundance and prosperity. You can incorporate these colors into your home through decor, furniture, or even just a few accessories. By making a few simple changes to your home, you can start to shift your financial situation. It's not about making drastic changes. It's about being intentional with your space and creating an environment that supports your goals. In summary, your home has a profound impact on your financial prosperity. By understanding how clutter, negative energy, and organization affect your wealth, you can start to make changes that attract more abundance into your life. I'd love to hear about your own experiences with how your home has affected your financial situation. Share your stories in the comments below, and if you're interested in learning more about financial tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos on Feng Shui for Wealth.